Hello everyone, good morning. Welcome to my online class. Students, we have already finished our first chapter in history, that is Delhi Sultanate. Yesterday I had given some homework to you. So let's check out some another exercises with that. Exercise A. Answer the question by choosing the most appropriate alternative from those given below. Which measures was introduced by Iltutmish? Number A. Market reform, B. Chalisa, C. Sisda, D. Token currency. So answer will be A. Chalisa, because Iltutmish formed a group of 40 nobles that was known as Chalisa. Question number 2. Why did Balban insist on the practice of Sijda and Pabos? Number A. He wanted to feel like God. Number B. He wanted to consolidate his empire. Number C. He wanted to declare his superiority over other nobles and to keep them subservient. Number D. He did not want the nobles to revolt. So answer will be A. He wanted to feel like God. That's why he introduced divine right of kingship. Why did Muhammad bin Tughlaq transfer his capital from Delhi to Devgiri? Number A. To run away from the Mongols. Option number B. To earn more taxes. Number C. To check corrupt officials. Number D. To control the whole empire from the center. So the answer will be number D. To control the whole empire from the center. Question number 4. During whose reign did Timur attack North India? Number A. Nazruddin Muhammad. Number B. Firoz Tughlaq. Number C. Daulat Khan. Number D. Babur. Answer will be A. Nazruddin Muhammad. Number 5. Who founded the Sayyid dynasty? Number A. Khizr Khan. Number B. Bahlol Lodi. C. Khusro Khan. D. Firoz Tughlaq. Answer will be A. Khizr Khan. Now come to the next exercise. Exercise B. Fill in the blanks. The successor of Kutubuddin Aibak were called? Answer is Mamluk. Iltutmish introduced silver coins known as tankas. Silver coins known as tankas, and he introduced copper coins also, which was known as jitals. Das introduced the theory of divine right of kingship. Answer is Balban, or you can write the full name, that is Ghiyasuddin Balban. Das was a discriminatory tax imposed on non-Muslim. Answer is Jizya. The Das headed the Department of Justice in the Delhi Sultanate. Answer is Chief Sadr or Chief Qazi. Jalaluddin victories are narrated in the Khilji dynasty. Now write true or false. Exercise C. Write T for true and F for false. Malik Kafur commanded Firoz Tughlaq's army. That is false, because he was commanded in Alauddin Khilji's army. So, question number 1 is false. Statement number 2. The new token currency issued by Muhammad bin Tughlaq failed. That is true. Iltutmish introduced Dag and Hulia. That statement is wrong, because it was introduced by Alauddin Khilji. During the Sultanate period, the Patwari was the headman of the village. That is wrong. This sentence is wrong. Number 5. According to the law of primogeniture, the eldest son succeeds his father as the ruler. That is true. Now that is over. Exercise A, B and C already I have completed. Now what you have to do? You have to write and learn question number 1 and 2 of exercise E. Question number 1 is, what do you know about the Slav dynasty? Question number 2, what were the changes brought about in the army by Alauddin Khilji? That both answers are very easy and I hope you will complete it. So see you in next class. Till then, bye bye.